Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your iPhone and AirPods are paired and both updated. Next, open Settings and go straight to Notifications. This is where announcement permissions live. You enable Bluetooth and keep your AirPods connected while you work. This prevents mismatched states. You also make sure Siri is allowed to access notifications, because without that permission, the feature won't trigger. Once done, you'll move into the specific Announce Messages settings to define which messages Siri will speak aloud. You now tap Notifications and select Announce Messages with Siri. Turn that main toggle on. This allows incoming messages to be read through your AirPods. Then you choose who's announced, everyone, recents, contacts, or favorites, so you control interruptions. You can also link this to focus modes, making sure messages are only announced when you want them. Set exceptions in focus or do not disturb to avoid unwanted reads. You'll notice these choices shape how and when Siri speaks, balancing convenience and privacy. You finish by testing. Keep AirPods connected, raise volume, and send a message to confirm Siri announces it. If nothing happens, make sure Announce Messages remains enabled, Siri has notification access, and your AirPods firmware is current. Those are the usual culprits. If the feature still fails, restart your iPhone, repair the AirPods, and toggle the Announce setting off then on. This resets the handshake between devices. If problems persist, check Focus Settings to ensure announcements aren't being suppressed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.